back to another video. Today we are doing Goats Yelling Like Humans Part 2. I watched 3 seconds of it. It is hilarious. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Hold on. It's so cute. Hold on. What's going on? What's going on?
I think it's getting threats. I like this big breath.
This is a goat. What kind of goat is this? Let's see. So, cancel. Let's see. Let's try to get one more in. Let's see. Let's see. What? What is this? Wait, what? It's a cat! Oh, it's...
He's farting. Dozer, is your butt making funny sounds? Dozer, is it going? Is it going?
Is it? The face looks like it.
Are you running away from your butt? Is it going?
Is it?
That's not your butt. I'm making that sound. It's not your butt. Dozer, is your butt going? Huh? He's going?
Not too funny and too long. Let's see. Let's see.
What's your butt doing, Dozer? Are you
How long is that one?
You...
There we go. Extra zoom in. see. How long has it been? Yeah. Let me see. Let's see. How long has it been? Let's see. Let's see. 2 minutes. Okay. So how long is we gonna be with this dog? You know? How long is this dog?
How big his foot is? Amazing.
Oh, cats are funny, cats are funny, cats are funny. Don't you lie. It's too blurry. I'm sorry. What you got, cat?
Whole situation is so hard.
What is this cat doing? That's just me. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. What is it? Trying to stop. Alright, guys. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to see me next time. Be sure to watch my next video. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. But don't smash it too hard. Don't break your computer. Give time to like and hit the bell and press all notifications because that's the best thing you could ever do. So I will see you next time with more amazing stuff like this. But be sure to slap that subscribe button. Alright, guys. Goodbye.